Hi, in this video we are going to see phases of operations research. First phase is formulating the problem. Before proceeding to find the solution of a problem, first of all, one must be able to formulate the problem in the form of an appropriate model. To do so, certain information will be required. They are: who has to take the decision, what are the objectives, what are the ranges of controlled variable, what are the uncontrolled variable that may affect the possible solutions, what are the restrictions or constraints on the variables. Since wrong formulation cannot yield a right decision, one must be considerably careful while executing this phase. The second phase is constructing a mathematical model. The second phase of the investigation is concerned with the reformulation of the problem in an appropriate form which is convenient for analysis. The most suitable form for this purpose is to construct a mathematical model representing the system under study. It requires the identification of both static and dynamic structural elements. A mathematical model should include the three important basic factors. First is decision variables and parameters. Second is constraint, and third is objective function. The third phase is deriving the solution from the model. This phase is devoted to the computation of those value of decision variables that maximize the objective function. Such solution is called an optimal solution, which is always in the best interest of the problem under consideration. The fourth phase is testing the model and its solution. After completing the model, it is once again tested as a whole for the error, if any. A model may be said to be valid if it can provide a reliable prediction of the system's performance. A good practitioner of operations research realized that his model be applicable for a longer time and thus be updates the model time to time by taking into account the past, present and future specifications of the problem. Fifth phase is controlling the solution. This phase establishes controls over the solution with any degree of satisfaction. The model requires immediate modification as soon as the controlled variables change significantly. Otherwise, the model goes out of control. As the conditions are constantly changing in the world, the model and the solution may not remain valid for a long time. The last stage is implementing the solution. Finally, the tested results of the model are implemented to work. This phase is primarily executed with the cooperation of operations research experts and those who are responsible for managing and operating the system. Thank you. Let us see in the next video.